Good morning everyone, I am Luigi from Mase Generators and I want to explain you why the maintenance of marine generators is important. In fact, the generator, after the propulsion system, is one of the most important systems on board because it provides us with the energy necessary to operate all the onboard auxiliaries, such as battery chargers, air conditioning, high voltage utilities and, through the batteries, all low voltage ones. So, keeping in perfect working order is very important. In the past, a generator on a pleasure boat made 30-15 hours a year. Today, generators are used much more, and it's common they are used for 300-500 hours a year. This greatly changed the profile of use and the need for maintenance of the generator. It should be kept in mind that the period between one service and the other can be 100 hours, in some cases 200 hours, all that depending on their size. Several components must be replaced during maintenance. Water impeller, water pump drive belt, oil filter, air filter, zincs. Depending on the type of generator, there may be more zincs installed on board, so it is very important to read the use and maintenance manual of the generator to know how many and where they are located. In our case, this is a VUS series unit, so it is a machine equipped with the engine and the alternator cooled by a water-air exchanger. It is also equipped with an inverter, so we will have 3 zincs. One positioned on the water-water exchanger, one positioned on the water-air exchanger, one positioned on the inverter. All 3 zincs are easily identified by a yellow dot. Very important for the life of the generator is the maintenance of the zincs and the oil change. The first is very important since the zincs, also called sacrificial anodes, have the task of protecting all the metal parts of the generator wetted by seawater. In fact, the estimated wear of zinc varies considerably depending on the port and the area where the boat is located. Replacing the oil is equally important because the generator often runs with little load, and in this condition, the combustion temperature is not optimal and diesel oil leaks into the engine sump may occur, which in the long run will decrease the lubrication efficiency of the engine oil. So here is how to proceed. The service must be carried out with a cold or lukewarm engine, never with a hot unit. First of all, make the machine safe by pressing the emergency button and, if it's possible, disconnect the battery. I recommend that you don't waste anything in the water and dispose of everything in an environmentally friendly manner. But, for sure, you will contact our specialized centers in the area for your coupon. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it of interest. Happy sailing!